Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Itsmetiffani and I'm Tiffany. Today it's all about natural glowing everyday makeup, and this is how I came it. Okay, just kidding. That's a cheesy joke, but I have to do it someday. Today's look is heavily inspired by James Charles. The blank canvas look, you must be seeing this one a lot on Instagram and YouTube, but I tried to give it my own twist on it, and this is what I came with. I decided to make it like a beautiful molten bronze melting up to my face. I hope you guys like it, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below, and if you're not subscribed yet, please click the red button down below. And without further ado, let's get into it. Hi guys, first I start mapping my drip shape using the Sephora nude color liner to kinda give me an idea how the drip is going to be like. And then I'm using my NYX Angel Fire Primer, my favorite, my holy grail, to start up my makeup. And then moving on, using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation as my foundation today. I'm using this small foundation brush to apply it to kind of get a precise application. And then I smooth out any brush stroke using my trusty Real Technique sponge. And then I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to conceal any dark circles and imperfection, also to highlight the center area of my face. And then I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in white as my eye primer today to kind of make any colors on top more vibrant. And then I'm setting up my eye primer and my base complexion using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Moving on, I'm dipping to the Colourpop My Little Pony palette using the color Flutterby as my transition shade, and then using the color Minty to deepen up my crease and outer V area. And using the brush that I use for the Flutterby color to blend it all out. And then using the color Look See from the You Had Me at Hello palette to deepen up my crease and outer V. And then I'm using Colourpop Supernova shadow in Moonlit to my lid to kind of create a glittery cut crease effect. But unfortunately, I don't really like the formula in this. Other color is fine, but this particular color in Moonlit, it seems so watery and not as glittery as I want, and it's so patchy when I put it on the lid, and it's hard to blend. It's not that good. The other colors fine, but only this particular shade that I'm not really a fan of. And then moving on, I try to blend the edges of the Supernova shadow using the colors Minty from the My Little Pony palette. And then again using the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Sunbeam to top of the Supernova shadow because I don't really like it. And then I'm using the colors Opulent from the Element of Surprise palette to kind of give it a pop of pink. And then I'm taking the colors Resi from the Iluvsarahii and Colourpop collab, the Saucey palette, to deepen up my outer eye area. Moving on to the brows, I'm using my usual Benefit Kabrow in number 5. I'll try to create a straight, very bold brows for this look because it is a very bold look and I need a bold brow to match it up. And then I brush my brows using the Essence Make Me Brow. And then I tightline my eyes and create a nice wing eyeliner. And using the silver core liner in black to line all the third part of my eyes to make a dolly effect, and then moving on to the mascara. And then I'm using the Anastasia brow gel to set my brows, and then I apply some lashes off camera. And then I'm using my usual slick face foam palette to contour my face. And also using the smaller brush to contour my nose. And then I'm using the Too Faced Blushes Flush Hard Flush Blush, whatever it is, in Baby Love as my blush today. And to highlight, I'm using the Sleek Salty palette, using this the most lightest shade to highlight my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose. And also the inner corner of my eyes and the brow bone. And for the lips, I'm using Colourpop collabs with Hello Kitty in Lock Diary. It's an ultra satin lip. It's a very gorgeous, very beautiful cool tone pink. It's very bold and gorgeous, and I love it. And then for the highlight part of my face, I'm using this Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight, and I just smear it all over the area that I didn't put any foundation on. Just using this brush carefully through the crevices of my face. And I'm using the Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighters from the Unicorn collection to create the drip effect on my face, because it is much more thicker formula, so it's easy to create the 3D drip effect. And then I blend it all together using this brush. And then I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Check and Flexitarian to highlight my face even more. And that's it guys, I hope you guys like it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe because I have tons of more videos coming for you, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!